Hey guys, today we're on our sister channel, but please follow us on the 333. Today we are going to be baking. And so what we have here is confetti, premium cake, and cupcake mix with candy bits. And we have vanilla frosting with sprinkles and coconut palm oil.
And on this side, we have the ingredients.
Okay, so first we gotta mix the dry ingredients in here.
Am I even in it, Nanny?
Yeah. Gotta get the scissors. Okay, so we have our dry ingredient right here. Since it's already mixed together, all we really need is this to put in here.
It's not mixed together. You gotta add like peanut.
Yeah, they are.
The biggest messy one.
You're supposed to put that in there.
You told me to use this.
I told you.
Oh.
Put the wet ingredients in there.
Okay, so gonna put this in here.
Yeah.
Oh wait, there's the fork. Let me take the fork out.
No. No fork for you. Okay, so then in this bowl right here, I made a mistake. First, I'm gonna add
Can I do
the
something?
eggs. How we do egg? An egg, yeah. Look.
Eggs want to go to explode.
You got an eggshell. See, we're not professional, okay? Don't blame us.
Maybe it's the fork.
Okay, so anyway, my brother's doing that.
Why it got
I'm gonna get the water and get it ready. So we couldn't find our 1 cup
the move.
measuring cup, but so we have our 1/2 cup. So we're just gonna use some of that water and let me see this.
Why can't I just
Well, 1/2 cups of water and 1/2 cup of oil. So we need to
You
this.
didn't
Anyway.
have this fork for it.
So we're gonna add our water in.
One.
1,
How much oil?
1/2. So we'll just water this here.
Give it a lot of oil.
So yeah. And after this, we're gonna add this into there and let the magic begin. Okay, now let's add it in.
I don't really get it.
And also, we are not sponsored by this rock. Okay, now, give me the fork. I'm gonna mix this all
Oh,
up.
it's right there.
Okay. So we also couldn't find our spatula, so we're just using this fork.
Spatula.
Yeah, then we got our spatula, remember? So we got this mixed up.
Why would you use a spatula?
Anyway, so
The penny doing things.
okay, so we got that done. Now we should pour this in. Well, we have to pour this in. So we're gonna leave this till after. We're gonna leave these sprinkles till after, so we can put that to the side over there. Yeah. So next, my brother mixes that. Well, that starts
Is
mixing.
this even on?
Okay, so while that's whisking, I'm gonna spray this jam on this. Now we can move this over here. Nice and greasy. Okay, it's hot. To get the sides off, okay? If you didn't hear me, I said we're gonna get the sides out to take this thing off.
Okay. No. It's still taking more.
So my sister's helping us. So
I don't know how to lock it.
we have technical difficulties here. So
It's looking ready.
we have this ready, and we are gonna put this in the oven. So yeah. Put this in the oven. Whoa, that's hot. So we preheated this for 250 degrees for like
So we're still waiting on the
Yes.
cake to finish baking, obviously.
yeah. We're still on the same couch. Yeah.
I look really dead. Look at this. But it's okay.
Put in the comments if you want me and my brother to do my sister's makeup. Yeah.
Don't.
Yes. Put it up. Hey guys, we're back and we have the cake done. And we'll wait 10 to 15 minutes.
10 minutes. To
10.
cool down. Now we're gonna add the frosting and sprinkles on video.
Whoa.
Hope you guys like this video. This is our cake. It's a funfetti cake. It has so much sprinkles on the top. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you next
Get up
time.
to 50.
Yeah, 50 likes. And try to get to 100 followers. See you guys next time. Bye. It's really good.
My brother says you can get poison from it,
Mm-hmm.
which is a lie.
It's not a lie.
Yes, it is.
I want to make slime. Yeah,
Like 10.
fine, 10 minutes.
Okay, we'll be back soon.
Bye.
Okay,